The Elevate rolling pin sander is the ultimate binding prep tool. Rather than spending hours sanding or scraping your sides, the rolling pin sander can get the same amount of work done in a fraction of the time. And saving you time saves you money. Plus, it's easier on your shoulders and elbows. The rolling pin sander is constructed of a solid steel shaft that connects via ball bearing to an aluminum handle. Its solid rubber drum ensures that you can get a truly flat surface, and everything is held securely together with lock nuts. When you order your rolling pin sander, it comes pre-assembled and pre-set up. When it comes time for you to change the sanding sleeves, it's pretty straightforward, but here are some tips. Sometimes the old sleeves can be pretty hard to remove. If that's the case, place the drum and sanding sleeve in the freezer for 30 or more minutes. Once the drum has shrunk, the old sleeve can be removed and a new one put on. Then everything can be reassembled. Place the drive side of the sander in a vise with soft jaws. If you don't have a vise, the chuck of your handheld drill can be used, but a vise is recommended. Tighten the drive side nut until the drum no longer freely spins on the shaft when turned by hand. At this time, it's also a good idea to check everything with a straight edge. To use your rolling pin sander, first place it in contact with the sides with nothing moving. This ensures you aren't tilted to one direction or the other. You'll move the sander in the opposite direction of the rotation of your drill. So if the drum is spinning away from you, you'll move it towards you. You only want to move in one direction. Moving back and forth is a good way to accidentally tilt it as you're changing direction, thereby rounding your sides. Repeat this process until 95% of the sanding is done, and then finish up with a scraper or sanding block. Another great use for your Elevate rolling pin sander is when it comes time to shape the heel of your neck.